Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly go over how to use your online textbook again, just in case we forgot. After you guys log in, you should see eText Climate Factors. It is lesson one in this chapter. You guys can go ahead and scroll through all of this information, and you guys are going to be using these next arrows at the bottom. Okay, so a lot of you guys were missing this during the school year. You do have to use that as you go along. The nice thing about these textbooks online is that you can listen to it. So if I push this play button,
Label the parts on the image that indicate what kind of temperature and precipitation.
it'll go ahead and play the all of the text on this screen for you. Anytime it says like this to add into your notebook, you do not have to do that. You only have to do what I ask you to do on your Google Classroom document, on your interactive notebook. So there are a few things like this one right here that I also ask you to do in your interactive notebook, but that means that you don't have to do it here. Okay, I will not grade anything that you put on this interactive or on this online textbook. I will only grade what you have on your interactive notebook. So you guys can go through this whole thing. It's not very long. Just like our textbooks at school, they're fairly short chapters and fairly easy to get through. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.